Hey friends, this is Mrs. Wolfie from our Half Acre Homestead. This is home economics, pantry stock, Dutch oven, scallop potatoes, and pork chops. This is real. This is one of my favorite easy meals. Now that I'm starting to get stuff in from the garden and done. I have some dehydrated sweet peppers, dehydrated potato slices, dehydrated celery and yellow and green beans, a fresh onion, 2 of our home sliced pork chops, and a can of mushroom soup. First things first, we're going to want to get these seared. You don't want to cook them, you just want to brown them on one side. God, I hope I was recording. Okay, what I did was I seared my pork chops on one side, and I put my celery, peppers, onions on the bottom, then the potatoes, then the onions. Why? Because the smaller dehydrated things have a tendency to float to the top and get crispy. Okay, I'm just going to pour the mushroom soup all over. We basically put the water in for the dehydrated vegetables. Now we're going to put them seared side up, our pork chops. Two-finger pinch of salt, some cracked black pepper. We're going to put a lid on this, and this is going to go into a 350-degree oven for about 40 to 45 minutes. It's always kind of like a lottery. You never know. So let's see if we gave it enough time. Oh, ho, 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 Papa. All right. I'm going to make Papa up a plate of this. Okay. Daddy, look at this.
What are you going to eat?
Ha! What am I going to eat? Funny man. Funny man. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? And Howie says, what are you going to eat?
You going to eat some Annie's Craft Dinner and I'll have this?
Yeah, nice try. Now this is from our dehydrated stuff and our can of soup and the pork chops I bought and cut up from Costco. That loin I got at Costco. Mm-hmm. Careful, that's going to be hot, eh?
Very flavored.
Oh, there's the happy dance. Thanks, dear. Simple, from the pantry, economical. Now, I'm going to tell you that this whole meal costs less than $5. This is Mrs. Wolfie from our Half Acre Homestead saying, that's home economics. Take care, God bless.